How does that look, everybody? I was going to make Reuben sandwiches with the leftover corned beef brisket that we made yesterday. And then I thought, why not try it in the Ninja Foodi? And Kathy suggested I put this on sear, saute. Press the start button. Put a little juice in there we have left over from our potatoes and carrots and broth in the bottom of the ceramic pot. Just put some of that in here. Warm that up. Slice a few slices of the brisket that we have left over. Look whose is left. This was Kathy's, what was it, 3.5 pounds? And this is my 3.5 pounds. Look, that was better. It was more tender. That was made in the pressure cooker. And I made this in the slow cooker. Although this is really good as well. I'm going to cut sandwich size slices. And we're going to put the meat in here and warm it up while it's on simmer. And then I'm going to use the tender crisp method or air fry method, same thing with this lid, and make the sandwich on top at the end. Toast it and melt that Swiss cheese on there. Remember Swiss cheese? What did we do? Get a discount because it only got one hole in it? Huh? Thousand Island or Russian dressing and fresh sauerkraut. Alright, let's get this meat in here, warm it up.
Can taste that. Well, I'm gonna slice this so you can see it good. So you can make a few of these ahead. I might cut off this fat for the sandwich, although I'm losing some of my flavoring. But I am on a diet. You all know that. Delicious, no? Yes, remember I made this with Guinness Stout beer as well. And thyme and garlic and onions. So you can put a bunch of meat in the bottom, keep it warm, and just keep toasting your sandwiches on top using the rack that came with the Foodi. That's where I'm going to put my bread at the end. My assembled sandwiches. I think this is enough for my sandwich for now. Delicious. It's getting warm in there. Some bubbling going on already. Could have made this in a frying pan, and I was going to. But I figured, let me do it in the Ninja Foodi. Come over, look at this meat in the broth. Good, huh? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's gonna be good. Gonna have that nice broth on there. Nice sandwiches. All right, well that's getting hot. Get my rack. I'm gonna butter my bread. I'm gonna butter my bread on both sides because I like it like that. You don't have to do it at all. Hear that sizzling? More butter, mama. I'm going to cancel my simmer, sear, saute mode right now. Okay. I'll put my bread on top. Close my crisper lid. And I'm going to use the air crisp method, 390 degrees for, I'm just going to go 5 minutes. Start getting this toasted up, and I can peek in between there because I don't want it too toasted. Then I'm going to assemble my sandwich with the hot meat in the bottom. What an incredible lunch for me today. And you can do this with your leftovers for tomorrow if you have leftover corned beef. You like that idea? I do. Let's look at the bread after 3 minutes. Getting crispy. Let me turn it over. How's that? See the butter on there? Ooh, the meat's down there. Hello, meat. And finished out the 5 minutes on that side, which is 2 minutes remaining.
Got mail.
I got mail. All right. Thank you. Thank you. I'm going to stop the toasting at this point, although I only have 10 seconds left, but I'm thinking when the sandwich is assembled, it's going to be toasted a little more. Look at the butter on there. Yeah. All right, let's assemble our sandwich now. The meat's still down there in the broth. Nice and hot and juicy. There's my assemblage platter. Whoa! Also known as a cutting board. Nice. This is Russian rye. You could use pumpernickel. I think it's half pump and half white. I don't know what it is. Russian rye. Okay, so move this rack for now. Take a piece of my, see that meat still in there? My discount Swiss cheese. Put it on the bottom. A few slices of, ooh, somebody's brisket fell apart even more. Whose brisket was that? Look at that, how tender that was. But these slices are going to work good on that piece of bread. So good. Smells delicious. Homemade Reuben. Ninja Foodi style. Is that enough? We got enough in here for a couple more sandwiches. Some sauerkraut on. If you don't like sauerkraut, you don't have to use it. Put on coleslaw. Make a Rachel instead of a Reuben. I like it. I didn't used to like it when I was young, but I like it now. Some Thousand Island dressing. Or Russian dressing. Whatever you like. Delicious. And our last piece of discount Swiss with only one hole in it. It's okay. What a sandwich. Put the top on. Get my rack again. Make sure it's not hot on your fingers. Put the sandwich in. Oh yes, look at that Reuben. Mr. Kincaid. Alright, let's stop. Cancel. Press air crisp again. Temperature seems to be good. We're going to go another 5 minutes. Then we're going to turn it over halfway through. When we get 6, we'll go 3 and 3. Okay? Then we're going to eat. It's going to be lunchtime. Let's check it halfway through. Oh, that's not bad. I don't think I have to turn this over because the air circulates from underneath. Let me just go a couple more minutes. I see it's starting to get brown there, and you know I love brown. So we'll go a couple more minutes and it's going to be done. I'm going to let it cool a little bit before I burn my mouth. 23 seconds remaining. Take a peek. There's a sign right here that says lift the lid to sneak a peek, so don't get mad at me. Oh, look at the cheese bubbling. Finish in 20 seconds. Hang on. 16, 15. Oh, yeah. Right back. 10 seconds, I'll be back. 9, 7, 8, 5. Oh, might as well stay here. Hang on. Then it goes to a cool down mode. Cool. Oh, got a whistling bird up there. Cool. Done. A little beep or a reminder? There was a little beep. Here we go, everybody. Look at that beautiful Reuben made with leftover corned beef. Oh, yes. And I still got a lot of meat down there. Now, if somebody else wants one, you can put your bread on for 5 minutes. And keep making Reubens as you're going, you know? Delicious. Alright, let's come over to the table and let this cool, but look at it. Holy cow. buttery and cheesy, meaty, delicious. Come on over. Oh, there it is. There it is. Should I cut it like a wimp just to let you see how it looks? Normally I wouldn't cut it. Today I'm cutting it. Mmm. I'm glad I thought of using the Ninja Foodi. You can make lots of them. Keep putting the bread in. And if the briskets were on sale yesterday for St. Patrick's Day, they're on. I got a bird up there. It's my best friend. They're even more on sale after St. Patrick's Day. Hear that Tweety bird up there? Is it time to eat? Huh? Oh, now you're not going to talk. I swear I got a talking bird. Hello, my baby. Hello, my darling. Hello, my right tongue girl. Ribbit. No, really, he talks. Make this with your leftover corned beef, if you have any. We usually eat them all up, but yesterday we made 2 of them, you know. Swiss cheese, sauerkraut, dressing, Pepsi. What is that? That goes good with it. Thanks for stopping by, watching me make my leftover lunch. I love it a lot. Please subscribe. Stop back soon. You want one?
Oh no.
Why?
I had enough corned beef for a little while.
I'm gonna have some tomorrow too.
Good. We'll
I
save it
hope,
for your lunch
if you don't
tomorrow.
eat it all up. Bye everybody, make one.
It was delicious, every bite that we had.
Yeah. So good. All right, I'll see y'all. Gotcha.